On the last two videos, we reviewed a couple of queries about MySQL. So today we move forward. Okay, we move forward. Remember we're doing MySQL right now, and then after we're going to jump to Python, and then we're going to jump to Tableau and Power BI, both of them, and then we're going to jump to our programming, our Markdown. So those are what I have learned. I'm just sharing with you my journey as a data analyst. Okay, so on the last video, the last two videos, we loaded the data, we changed the column's name, we view it, and we do some queries, right? We were answering a couple questions we had about the offices and the agent number, the most appointments, and everything. We got everything right here. Okay, so now what we're trying to do now, just playing with the same data, try to get more information. So now what we're trying to do, we're going to see the efficiency and productivity of the agent. Put a comment right here. This is a comment. Yeah, we're just playing with it. Okay, the most important thing is practice what we learn. Okay, so we'll do it with CTE again. We'll do it with the CTE because we're trying to do the efficiency and the productivity, right? So we call let's call it efficiency, right? With efficiency as, got it. So we're going to have a select function. So what we're going to do on that select function, we're going to have employee ID, yeah, employee ID, oh, employee underscore ID. To get the efficiency, we need to know the total of the appointments made. Okay, so we're going to sum appointment, or not sum, but count it. We're going to count. We're going to count appointment type, no, appointment time, or either or the same thing, because we're going to count how many times is repeated. And then we need also the total hours work, right? So the total hours work, we'll get the total hours work from the employee table. You can see right here, hours work. So we're going to get the sum of hours work. There you go. Okay, so get the sum hours work. Just say from right here from the app. So there's that. We're going to use appointment. I hate when it's not doing it. It should be showing it. It's not doing it. We're going to create appointment A as we did above. So we're going to alias A, join appointment setters, which is the database that has the table's name. So the table name is employee. As we did above, we're going to call it A. Okay, on, put it right there so we can read it. On employee ID equal to a employee. Okay, so those two tables, they have the same the primary and secondary key. Okay, so that's good. And then we can group by employee ID. Okay, we can also order by employee ID. Okay, descendant. So you can have the one with the most important appointment on the top. So employee ID, we're gonna get employee ID from A dot employee ID. Appointment time, we're going from A dot appointment time, and hours work, we're going from E dot hours work, right? So that's where we're gonna fix it. And then now we're gonna select our CTEs. Let me see. Okay, we need to put the alias as well as total appointments as total hours. Okay. Now we're going to select. We're going to do efficiency. We're going to call select from efficiency. We're going to call employee ID. We're going to call total appointment and total hours. Okay. Then we're gonna get our efficiency now. To get how long it take an agent to make an appointment. So that means we're gonna do all the hours. We're gonna do total hours divided by total appointment. I think that's right? If it's not right, but at least you get the idea. So I get the total hours divided by total appointment. We get hours per appointment as efficiency. We're gonna call efficiency again, or efficient, okay. And then we're gonna say total appointment divided by total hours. Yep, that'll be like how long the first one, efficiency, how long it take, how many hours it take to get an appointment, and the other one is how many appointment we do in an hour. So that'll be a productivity. So you can call out the productivity of the agent as productivity. Just put productive, right? Just tonight. Okay, whatever. Okay, we already get the from. Do we need to go goodbye? We already get goodbye. Yep, I think we're good. So we're gonna run this. Let's run it. Oh, we got an error. This. We're gonna run this and see if we got what we're looking for, right? So let's go. There you go. Okay, so we got put employee ID. We got total appointment. We got total hours, and then we got the efficiency, and then we got the productivity. In that case, we have employee ID descendant. Right? Let me see. Oh, okay. We did employee ID descendant. Instead of employee ID descendant, we should do let's say total appointment. You know what? Let me just remove that right here. Instead of doing total appointment, let me go ahead and do it down there to get the order by the efficiency. Yep. Let's order by efficiency. You see how efficient the agents are. There you go. Yep. Okay, so we got agent employee ID 876 had 8 appointment, 348 hours with an efficiency of 43. That's weird. So the efficiency should be appointment divided by hours. What I got in this case for productivity, that's efficiency, and what I got in this case for efficiency, that's productivity. Okay, so basically you got the idea. So that's another thing we can do with it. So we can keep moving forward, right? I can keep doing things like trying to use different functions that is useful that we do on real life, right? even though we got it backward. But let's go with it. So we're gonna see total appointment. Let's run it like, oh no, give me a second. So you have to be from here. Let's run it. Okay, the agent who had the most hours has 512 hours and got 14 appointment. Okay, got the most. He didn't got the most hours, but he got a lot of hours. He got 14 appointment, and yep, the efficiency 36, and the productivity is 0.27. I think that's one of the top productivity. No, there's another agent here. That one got top productivity. Let's see productivity. Even though we got it backward on that case, but we're gonna try it. Okay. I think that one should give me an error because I'm trying to order by something. Okay, good. So we got this agent got 10 appointment on 350 hours. So the productivity, which is the efficiency in that case, because we get it backwards, so we can fix it. So basically, what we can do, we can keep playing with it, keep trying to answer question, trying to see different information about the data. We can try to get the total hours. For example, we have on the branch, we see offices that open on Saturday, right? There's offices that open on Saturday. So we can count it, the appointment. We can get the appointment by offices that open on Saturday. So we can do that. Like we can say select one, and then what we're gonna select from, we're gonna say app settlers. Let's just copy this right here. We I think we got something with appointment and office. There you go. Yeah, appointment and offices. Yeah, we got appointment and offices right here. So okay. So what we're gonna select those for that office ID. We're gonna select the total, the same thing we did earlier. I think the same thing right here. What was it? Yeah, that's the same thing. We're gonna do that same thing over here. Let me just grab it. You got the same thing over here, but as with the difference, right? We're gonna filter it to get Saturday only. Okay. Let me remove the nested here, because if we don't remove nested function here, it'll be a problem. There you go. Okay. Yeah. There you go. Let's try this. There you go. Okay. The same thing. You see the same thing. Let's order. Where were we? We were here, right? Let's order by. Okay. So I got the offices with the appointment open, but we didn't get the appointment, like those specific appointment that is on Saturday, right? If we go to, let me go to right here and select and see the appointment. You see, we just get them open. They open on Saturday. Those offices open on Saturday, but like we don't have like a specific appointment they have for that Saturday, right? We just got the time they open, the hours they close, and if they open on Saturday or no. But the one thing we can notify is that those that open on Saturday, just see Elizabeth got the most appointment, right? See, just see Elizabeth, they are the one with the most appointment, right? So basically that's it for today. Next day we'll keep on working on it. We will have like a different data set to get average, to do one and some, um, to do some like statistic with the data and get more information out with different data. Okay, so we're going to use different data. I will try to get some data on GitHub or any other Google platform with different spreadsheet. So we can use join, self join. We can use inner, left, right join, some joins to practice a little bit with it. So see you next time. Hi, thank you for watching our videos. We really appreciate it. Remember to give us a thumbs up. Or you can subscribe, right? Whenever we post new video, you will see it. Remember, this is just a journey, what we have learned, or what we do with data analyst thing we learn.